Alright, hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to meet my friend to try to make some cool videos, but I wanted to stop by Namba because I wanted to see if I can buy a new laptop. If you watch my other video, I actually try to go fix my laptop, but because it's so old, it's gonna cost too much to fix it. So I just got my credit card, my Japanese credit card, but I want to see if I can buy it through Apple Pay, because through Apple Pay you can get 0% interest. So I'm gonna go to the Apple Store and see how to do it, because I don't know how to do it. Today is the start of the holiday, so this week is actually the beginning of a holiday, and right now they have a high increase in cases right now. So as you can see behind me though, there's a lot of people walking down that street. Last week, if you watch my video, I was here last week and I made a video, and there were less people last week, but since this week is the start of, today is pretty much the start of the holiday, there are a lot more people out here. Actually, I was originally supposed to go to the Philippines, but that flight got canceled. So before the increase of infections, I actually bought a ticket to Okinawa for Tuesday, but Okinawa has one of the highest cases per population right now, so I don't know what's gonna happen. I've been kind of debating every day if I should go or not. I'm probably going to go, but I don't think anything's going to be opened. But I don't want to, since I went on a budget airline and they haven't canceled any flights, I think they're just going to let people in and out of Okinawa. I think the governors in each place, they want to lock down things, but the national government wants to keep things moving. Right now they have like this new Go To Travel campaign, which encourages people to travel, and since that started like a month ago, there has been a high increase of coronavirus, so people are linking those two together. But anyways, let's go to the Apple Store. Let's see if I can get a laptop, because I've been using my girlfriend's laptop for the past couple months, because my old laptop doesn't work, so it's just too slow. So let's see if I can get a new laptop today. I also noticed too, last time was the first time to use this camera, this GoPro, and I noticed that because I didn't extend the tripod, that it was just kind of shooting the ground. So this time I have it extended, and I also noticed that last time that I was moving way too much, so I'm gonna try to keep it still this time. But as you can see, there's a lot of people. There's a lot more than last Saturday. So pretty much the whole country is off for a whole week. And I actually have seen a lot of people on the train traveling, like with the suitcase. So we're at Shinsaibashi, Namba, and the Apple Store is not too far from the metro subway station. Alright, I'll just see you guys when I get there. Alright, so I didn't bring a towel, so I'm gonna go buy a towel right now. Damn, they gotta honk really hard. Oh, that girl just ran into the sign. Oh my gosh, it's so hot. Wow, this Family Mart is pretty big. It didn't look so big in the front. So let me see. Towels here. I need the small kind. No. No. I don't think they have them here. I think only the nice family marts have towels. Alright, never mind. Alright, so I bought this towel. It was about $5. Let me see. I'm sweating so much right now. This thing is on so hard. Let's see. This towel is pretty good actually, for $5. It's not bad, good quality, made in Japan. Alright, let's go. Wow, there's a big line at the Apple store. Yeah. Oh my gosh. It's so packed. Okay. Okay, let me see if I can get in here. Alright, so I have to wait in this line. If you don't make a reservation, you have to wait longer, I guess. And I'm not sure what that line is, but we have to wait. Okay, so there's like a long line over there. So what I wanted to do was, I wanted to sign up for the Apple Pay, because right now you can get 0 interest, you know, for a year or two, and then I can just link that to my new credit card, because my new credit card is like 18% interest. So on the website you can do it, but it won't let me do it. So all they did was told me to call a phone number. So I guess I'll do that today or tomorrow. Alright, so let's go to Tennoji. That's where I'm gonna meet my friend. There's a lot of Bentleys on the street. Look at that one. Yeah, I'm kind of annoyed because the Apple store is so busy, and I think that's a newer model Bentley. We got 2019 or 2020. Wow. Japanese people really like Bentleys. But it's kind of annoying because if you want to deal with any Apple stuff, you have to go to this one. Looks a little weird. And there's only one Apple store for this whole city, and Kyoto only has one Apple store as well, and right now it's so packed over there. There's 2 long lines out there, and it's really hot today. It's really humid. So right now we're gonna go to Tennoji. A lot of people, oh, Dodge Charger, or no, that's Challenger. So right now we're gonna go to Tennoji. A lot of tourists actually don't go to Tennoji. They usually just go here and maybe Umeda, but we're gonna go there and check it out. Oh, here's a train. All right, I'll see you guys there. Alright, so I just got here to Tennoji. There's a lot less people than there usually is, but I'm going to meet my friend here, and I'm going to come back here again sometime in the future and just show you guys around this area. But for today, I wanted to make some videos with my friend today, so yeah, so I'll try to show you as much as possible. So that building, that tower over there, that's where I want to go, but it's closed because of the coronavirus. But that area is still pretty cool. So this building right here is the tallest building in Japan. It's the Haruka's building. And also I wanted to go up on the top, but it's also closed because of the coronavirus. This area is pretty cool. I really like this area. There's a mall right here, and there's actually a mall inside of here, and then there's another big mall over there. It's called Q's Mall, and there's another smaller mall over here, and they're all connected downstairs except for this one. But this place 10 years ago used to be really run down, and some locals say that it was a dangerous area. They even say right now, is it dangerous? But it's not that dangerous. There used to be a lot of homeless people around here, and they kind of cleaned up everything and built all these things around here, and now there's a lot of young people that come here. So yeah, maybe next time I'll come back down here and then I'll show you guys around this area. I really wanted to go up to this building. I've been here many times and it's really cool up there. So I'm going to try to make some cool videos with my friend, and let's see how that goes. So my friend's supposed to come in about 10 minutes. I wanted to just scope out the area first. There's a huge park here which is really nice, and then we're gonna go through this park, and then we'll go through over there. It's called the Shinsekai area, and that is I forgot how to say it, but Sukuteken Tower. The Sukuteken Tower? The Sukuteken Tower. Sukuteken Tower? I'll probably just leave it in closed caption right now. So yeah. He also does Instagram and all that, and so I wanted to make a cool video because I just got my camera and take some cool pictures.